If you are looking for the best tool bag, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEWALT DG5543 16-in. 33 pocket tool bag. LC DEWALT Tradesman bag is instantly recognizable in the brand's iconic black and yellow colorway. It features a handy pop-open top design that allows for easy access, identification, and retrieval of your tools. Engineered from high-quality and hard-wearing ballistic poly fabric, it's a flexible material and is much stronger than many traditional fabrics. The tool bag is spacious internally and features 13 inside pockets, including one fully zippered pocket ideal for keeping valuables securely stowed. There are a further 20 storage compartments Number 2. WORKPRO 16-inch wide mouth tool bag. If you are looking for an affordable but dependable new tool bag, then you should definitely take a look at the 16-inch wide opening, double zippered bag from WORKPRO. Premium materials and construction have gone into the manufacture of this hugely practical and versatile work bag. It features reinforced double stitching throughout and durable dual pull zippers. There are 8 internal and 13 external pockets alongside 8 straps. Overall, this WORKPRO bag measures 16 inches by 11 inches by 8 inches and sits on a sturdy internal metal frame with an abrasion-resistant and waterproof base. Number 3. Klein Tools 55421 BP14 Tool Bag Backpack. The Klein 55421 BP14 tool bag has a backpack design, providing you to travel with your tools with ease as you have both of your hands free. This high-quality tool bag is recommended for technicians, contractors, carpenters, and other laborers in the construction industry. This model comes with about 39 pockets where you can easily organize multiple tools, including cables, electronics, hand tools, and other accessories. It also has a front pocket that's molded where you can put fragile items like safety. Number 4. Stanley STST70574 12-inch soft-sided tool bag. This tool carrier from Stanley is designed for carrying small to medium-sized hand tools and other small accessories. The STST70574 is constructed with a durable fabric so it can withstand the load of your tools. On the bottom of the bag, there's rubber foam that maintains its sturdiness. The bag comes with an adjustable strap to provide you easy and quick access to your tools. If you have to travel and carry the bag for a long time, this strap is a big help. Number 5. Carhartt Legacy Tool Bag. This next one comes from Carhartt Legacy, which is known for manufacturing large and durable tool bags. This tool bag is made of a synthetic fabric that comes with Rain Defender technology to keep your tools clean and dry within your bag. A total of 23 exteriors and 11 interior pockets of different sizes are provided so you can easily reach out and access your tools whenever. The bag also features an internal metal frame that maintains the structure of the bag so you can put and get your tools in and from the bag without it losing its shape.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.